Okay, game design. Students, players, whatever. So, sorry this is taking so long to get to. I have 5 different classes that I teach, and I had to go through all of these individually one by one. It's just taken a really long time to get to you guys. So I have gone through all of your stuff that you've turned in. Everything is graded and is updated in my DSD as you stand right now. A couple things. First off, I'm grumpy as crap because I haven't even turned on my Xbox since Monday. I was messing around on the computer a little bit. I played a little tiny bit of World of Warcraft before I went to bed last night, and I played a little bit of Pokemon Sword on Switch as I was falling asleep. But other than that, since like Sunday, I haven't played anything. It really sucks. I'm kind of grumpy. You guys know how it is. So it's information-wise, just to get it out of the way so that you guys know how this is going to work. So technically, third term closes tomorrow, Friday. However, we are not going to close third term as our class until next Friday. So if you are currently missing anything, you have an entire week to get it to me. You have until next Friday. Okay. A few things. Don't mess up with your game reviews. Please don't miss those. Dude, that is so many points. It is just imperative that you get those done. So make sure that you knock those out. Okay? Your game reviews need to get done. None of you, except for the exception of like, I don't know, maybe 15% of you, have gotten your Atari 2600 video reviews done. You have to get those done. Those are killing your grades. Okay, so what I want is I will put a link down in the more section to a video that I made for teachers on how to make a video. So what I want you to do is I want you to click on that. I want you to use that video and do it. Watch the how to make a video. Okay, so you have got to go get that done. You have to absolutely 100% get that done. Pick an Atari game. Just do a video review. All you have to do is put on a pair of your headphones and use the microphone and just tell me about the game that you're playing. Tell me about different parts of it. Tell me what you like about it, what you don't like about it. It doesn't have to be Ethan Perkins' crazy pants video where he's barfing cheeseburgers into his backyard. It's fine. Just do a review of you playing the game. That is 100% okay. The other thing that many of you are missing is your sound files. I get it that most of you do not have computers that can run Adobe Audition at home. That is fine. There's another program, and I will put a link to the download for that called Audacity. Some of you guys have used it before. Audacity is a program that works similar to how Audition works. You can edit your files. It doesn't have quite as many cool filters, but it has plenty of stuff to get you through what you need to get done. Get your sound files done. Your pixel art, you can do that on Pixel from home. You can work on that. You can do whatever you want. Your Fortnite creative maps, I am not sure how we're going to turn those in because the school kind of blew up in the process of us trying to get those done. We will figure something out, and those will go on your 4th term. So we may have to play a little bit of Fortnite and get those done going into 4th term. So those will not go on your 3rd term grade. Those will go on your 4th term grade. So don't get too caught up about that. Trying to think anything else as far as class goes. Just get me your stuff. I'm trying to grade class by class as I go. Like a couple of programming kids are mad at me because I didn't get their stuff put in that they turned in this morning. Well, yeah, that's kind of how this is going to go because making videos and taking care of classes and doing everything online and trying to help all the other teachers just takes a ton of time. Right now it is 6:30. I have been at this since 8 o'clock this morning. So as soon as this video is done, I'm going to knock off for the night and go do something fun. You should do the same thing. Last thing before I turn you loose, I am going to start streaming for 2 hours a day. It is a chance for us to get together and we will stream something different, depending upon the day. Some days I might stream something for game design. We might stream something for ECS where they're working on Scratch. We might stream something for programming or AP or whatever. None of what we're actually streaming matters. What the biggest thing is if we're streaming something, even if it's for one of the other classes, I'd love to have you pop on. Just say hi, chill. I imagine most of the time we're going to be just talking about life and coronavirus and whatever, and help people out. I will try to do that every day. We're going to play ton of video games on it probably, play some Fortnite, play some Ark, play some Mario Brothers, play some OG Nintendo stuff. We got that coming in a couple of weeks. We're going to do some other stuff. If you guys would like, we can squad up in Fortnite or Warzone, or if you have a copy of Ark, if you happen to play Ark, maybe we can let you guys on my private server and we can all play Ark together. But just stream and hang out and just give me a chance to see and talk to you guys and have you guys hear me. So if you have any questions, any issues, please let me know. Those of you have probably figured this out by now, but the school district's email system is woefully unprepared for the amount of load that's going on. So email kind of stinks. So the best way to get a hold of me is through Canvas. Two main options that I want you guys to use when you're trying to get me. One is if it is something that regards just you. Like, for example, I turned this in and I didn't get the score I thought I would get. Send me a DM in Canvas and I will just answer you back. If it's something on a project you're working on, say you can't get Piskel to load so that you can work on your pixel art, post that in the discussion forum instead. I've opened that up so that you guys can use it, because if, let's say, I don't know, Luke is working on his pixel art and let's say Josh sees Luke's question before I do, Josh can answer him. And then you guys can kind of help each other out without having to worry about me being there all the time when I have, 5 different classes that I'm trying to sort out. Okay, so help each other out. I'll be in the discussion forum to help you guys out too, but just post some stuff. If you have any questions, make sure you post it in there. Kill it, right? You guys are awesome. We're doing good. We're going to be fine. Everything's okay. We're going to get through it and hopefully have a lot of fun on the way. Okay, drink it in. Like I've told you guys before, this is a life experience and it's awesome, right? You guys are fine. Okay, yeah, that's really it. We'll get everything out and you'll be good. Okay, I will talk to you guys later. I'll try to get something out for you tomorrow. I'll do some videos for new content for you guys for next week, Monday, Tuesday. Oh crap, I'm glad I remembered. Your notebook. That is the only thing that is going to go on your grade that is not in there right now. Make sure you get in there and get all of your notebook entries done. I put a new entry in today. I need you to get that done today or tomorrow because I will start grading notebooks on Monday. And so get your notebook entry done, the one for today, tomorrow. Get that done as quickly as you can in OneNote. Okay? All right. If you need anything, if you need me, feel free to let me know. If you're freaking out and you just need somebody to talk to, I can do that too. Okay? All right. Have a good night, and I will catch you, hopefully, get you out something tomorrow. Later.